If you're trying to decide between ConvertKit and Campaign Monitor for your email marketing needs, you're likely wondering which one is more flexible. Both are solid choices, but if you're looking for ultimate flexibility, there's more to consider than just features. Stick around, because I'm going to break down what each of them offers and give you a recommendation at the end that could save you time and headaches. Let's kick things off by looking at ConvertKit's flexibility. It's primarily designed for creators. Its drag-and-drop email editor is intuitive, and while it's not as robust as some of the competition in terms of complex design features, it is super easy to use. ConvertKit shines when it comes to automation and segmentation. It allows for sophisticated automations, and you can tag subscribers based on their behaviors. But here's the catch, it's great for creators. But if you're running a large-scale business with more complex needs, you might find yourself hitting some walls. Next thing to consider is Campaign Monitor. It offers a more traditional, yet still user-friendly, email editor. Where Campaign Monitor really pulls ahead is in its design capabilities. The template selection is top tier, and you can tweak your emails in a way that gives you a bit more freedom when it comes to visual design. It's especially helpful if you have a design team that needs to customize emails to a high degree. But flexibility comes at a price. Campaign Monitor's pricing can escalate quickly, and when you start needing more than just the basics, it can feel like you're paying for features you don't always use. The third thing to think about is the integrations each software provides. ConvertKit has a solid list of integrations with tools you might already be using, especially in the world of content creation and digital products. It integrates seamlessly with things like Teachable, WordPress, and more. But if you need deeper integrations with things like CRMs or advanced analytics, you might find ConvertKit lacking in comparison to Campaign Monitor, which offers a more extensive set of integrations for larger scale businesses. Fourth thing to consider, customer support. When it comes to flexibility, being able to get help when you need it is a game changer. ConvertKit's customer support is known for being responsive and helpful, especially for new users. However, its more advanced features can sometimes leave you searching for answers. Campaign Monitor, on the other hand, has a great reputation for solid customer support, especially for enterprises. But they also have a slightly steeper learning curve, so if you're just getting started, you might feel a little overwhelmed. So, when it comes down to flexibility, both platforms have their pros and cons. ConvertKit is fantastic for creators looking for automation and ease of use, but it may not have the depth you need if your business grows. Campaign Monitor, while better for design-heavy email campaigns and more complex integration needs, can become expensive and a bit cumbersome for smaller users. Now, while both ConvertKit and Campaign Monitor are good options depending on your goals, I've tested all of them, and if you're really looking for an email marketing software that combines the flexibility of both and more, I've got a better recommendation. Check out the first link in the description for a free trial of a platform that gives you the flexibility of ConvertKit and the design capabilities of Campaign Monitor, all without breaking the bank. Plus, using our link gets you the best trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. The software I recommend might just be the solution you've been searching for. So, take advantage of that free trial and see for yourself.